up, kiddos? Trowbro back with another drawing with Trowbro, and today we're going to be looking at how to make a hidden folded art. Ooh, what does that even mean, Mr. Trowbridge? I don't know. I'm making it up as I go, but I know Among Us is super popular, and I've also seen this folded art where you take a piece of paper, you fold it, you draw something, but then when you open it up, it makes this big reveal, and I think it's really fun. And I was thinking about when you play Among Us and you're the imposter and you go around knocking people off, you cut them in half, and then it's a little morbid because he's cut in half, but they make it really cute. It looks like one of those old deli hands from like Looney Tunes. So it looks really cute and adorable. I think you're going to enjoy making this project, and let's get our pencils ready and let's get started.
Alright, so to start my project, what I have here is I got my little reference that I'm going to be looking at. I have some crowns. I used markers to color this one, so you can color it with paint, markers, crowns, whatever you feel comfortable using. Got my piece of paper right here. This is regular copy paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making it look kind of like an S. I'm going to like bring it down and then bring it back up. So like if you're looking at it from the side, it would look kind of like an S. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the top and the bottom and make sure that it's flat on both sides, and then I'm going to just press it down, but make sure that it's not tilted. Like if you see a little bit of the paper on the edge, you want to straighten it out before you crease it. A little bit of origami, a little paper folding. Okay, and crease it. Ooh, yeah. There we go. And I have a piece of paper ready to go, and if I pull it up like this, I can see the inside. All done. Now I'm going to start, I want to make my Among Us character green. I use purple, which is my favorite color over here, but I'm going to do green over here, and let's get a normal, we'll do a normal yellow green right there. Yeah, I think that's fine. That'll be good. I'm using green because I think green and red are opposite colors, so it'll have a little bit of a pop to it. So I'm going to start at the very, very top, and I'm going to come down. I don't know if that's hard to see. It might be a little bit hard to see. Let's do a darker green. There we go. That's probably better. So come down. The nice thing about these Among Us characters are they are super simple to draw. Go all the way down. They're all a bunch of little U shapes. Goes around and comes up. And then he's got a little bit of a line right there for his bottom of his space suit, and then come over here, and then it goes back up. All right, and then I'm going to stop right about there, use this one and come down a little bit, and I'll stop right there so I can do his visor. Now I'm going to save black for last just because I know that sometimes I don't want my green to mix with the black, so I'm going to actually do gray because that's what color his visor is. I'm going to draw this little oval right here. All the way around. Okay, and then I get my green again, and I'm going to do his backpack. And I'm going to try to do his backpack from that line right there, just so it's when I draw him in half that I don't have part of it over here. So I'm going to start up here and just draw his backpack and then come in right when I get to there. Looks wonderful. Looks just like an Among Us character. Then I'm going to open it up. Ooh la la. And then I'm going to start to draw the inside. So let's open this up. Use my crown box to prop that open, keep it open. All right. Then I'm going to go down just a little bit more. A little bit more. And don't worry if you draw a little weird because we're going to add a lot of black outline and that can fix a lot of mistakes. Then we're going to start right here. We're going to draw an oval. Really wide oval. Looks kind of like a pancake. All right? And then on the inside of that, we're going to draw another small oval. Perfect. And now we're going to do the exact same thing on the bottom down here. I'm going to go up a little bit, go up a little bit, and then I'm going to draw another oval. But let's start with the bottom part first. Let's start at the bottom. All right, there we go. And then we'll draw the bottom part. That way we can draw the bone. So the bone, before I draw the top of it, I should do, let's do Let's do gray. That'll be fine. So, right there, it goes up 2 straight lines, and then it's got a big circle shape and then a little bit of a smaller circle shape. And then I can go back to my green and I can draw the rest of that oval so that it looks really 3D. Looking sharp. Alright, let's go back to my gray real quick. I'm going to draw a little glare on his visor. And then I'm going to find a peach color. Do I have a nice peach in here? I might have to do like a pink. Oh, there's peach right there. Okay, good. So, now for the peach color. So, I'm going to start over here and I'm going to draw, looks like little triangles. Draw another one. When I get to my Among Us character, I stop. And I come over here. Draw more, maybe draw a 2-1. Then I come down here, do the exact same thing, but on the bottom. These are kind of like anime motion lines, where it looks like something's happening, like drama and like speed, like whoosh. And I'll come over here, draw some more, just like that. Then I'm going to get my red. Make sure this is red, rojo, rouge. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. So, draw. Come over here, do the same thing. Come down here. Alright. I'm just kind of doing it as I see fit. Alright, I think that looks good. I think he's basically all drawn. Now it's just a matter of maybe coloring. Now there are these little white flash lines in here, so if you want to draw like some really long, really skinny lines coming through, you can. Just make them really skinny. Maybe one more over here. I kind of look and see where there's a blank spot, and I just make sure that I take up that space. Alright, pretty good. Now it is time to color it. I'll do a little time lapse just so it's a little bit faster. Alright, so I am almost done with my Among Us character. All I have left to do is do the black outline around all of my shapes of my character. There is no black lines on the background. So, also, you know what, if I want to, I kind of want to make maybe the inside of this a little bit darker. So I'm just going to lightly press down to make the inside of that just a little bit darker. Same thing with down here. The inside of him is a little bit of a dark green, so I'm lightly pressing down. It's a nice thing about crowns. You can't do that with markers, so I had to have 2 different colors. I had like purple and then plum. So, alright. Looks nice. So, let's go ahead and trace over it, and I want this to be super thick. I think one of the cool things about Among Us is it has a flash, the Adobe Flash player, like animation style, which means like super thick black outlines. So what I like about that is it's easy to cover up little mistakes that you made. You don't have to worry about it looking weird. I think part of the charm of it is that it does look a little weird. Make sure you don't go above that line right there or you're going to see it. Pushing down nice and hard, going right on top of my old drawing. Alright. It is starting to come together and look just like my other one. I don't know which one I like more. My marker one or the crown one. I think both have the things that I like about them differently. Obviously the marker one's a lot more bright, but this one was a little bit easier and the paper's not curling up, which is nice. Now don't do an outline around the glare, because it didn't have a black outline. Alright. Be careful not to break this. I know I'm putting a lot of pressure on it to get it nice and dark. Okay, come down here, go over my bone. I wonder if they have a dog toy of an Among Us character with a bone sticking out. That would be cute. I think I just hurt my crown break. See if I can finish it. Sometimes I turn my paper sideways, just makes it easier. You'll probably also notice that when I was coloring this, when I got to edges and stuff, sometimes the paper crinked up. Just be careful. Sometimes it's like easier to go like away from the paper. When you go up, that's what happens, is it catches and bends it like that. So just be careful of that. And I'm almost done. I always feel like those ovals going down. It's easy for my hand to go down, so I turn the paper. So like this. I'm always kind of going down. Down, down, down. Trowbro's going down. Alright, oops. See, I came in a little bit too much, but that's alright. The thing about the black outline is you won't even know. It is super dark and thick right there. And then also super dark and thick here. And come up. Go back over it one more time. Make sure that I cover up all the green that's sticking out. And then I think it looks like it's pretty much done. Let's see if it works. Da, 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 da. Yay! Whooshing.
Well, kiddos, I hope you had fun making your folded hidden art. Shink, are you suspicious? Yes, you probably are very suspicious because you are watching this channel, and I hope you had fun, and stay tuned, and I will see you next time on Drawing with Trowbro.